Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be all about my hair, sort of my hair color journey, like how I got to this balayage color. I do have some clips from the day that I actually got it done, so I'm gonna insert those. It has been like 2 or 3 weeks since I got my hair done, so the color is slightly different now. It's not the same as when I first got it done. So basically a few weeks ago, out of nowhere, I decided to get my hair done. I've been wanting to get it done for a very long time. I never actually did it, but like one day I just made an appointment and went for it. And the very next day she had like a spot for me, so I literally just went the next day. And my hair like naturally is black, you can see at the top, very dark. So when I went into the salon, I told her I wanted like a light ash brown balayage or like a dark ash blonde. So what she had to do was bleach my hair to like blonde, basically. It's going from black to that blonde yellow color. I was like, oh my god, like I didn't want to be this blonde. I just wanted brown. And I thought, you know, she would bleach it a little bit and then just put brown on top, but that's not how it works. If you want light brown or dark ash blonde, you need to bleach it all the way to yellow or like blonde and then put whatever color you want on top. So that's basically what happened. And when I first got it done, it was like a true ash brown and it looked really nice. I really like the color of it, and right now it kind of faded a little. I guess it's still a light ash brown. In real life, you can see a lot more of like the highlights, the little blonde pieces. You can't really tell on camera right now, it looks like, but I'm pretty obsessed with this hair color. I love it. Sometimes it's a little bit too light and I'm like, oh, I didn't want it to be this light, but most of the time I'm obsessed with it and I love it. I recommend that when you guys go, show them a picture of like straight hair, because when you curl your hair, your balayage is gonna look really nice, just like naturally, because it's curly, so it'll look really nice. But when you have straight hair and you wear it straight all the time, sometimes the balayage doesn't look too great. So when you show them a picture that's like of straight hair, you're basically kind of letting them know that you want it to look good when it's straight as well. So yeah, this is the color after 2 to 3 weeks, and ever since I got my hair done, I have completely revamped my hair care routine, because before this I felt like I could do literally whatever. Like I would shampoo my hair, not condition it, and it would still be honestly fine because it was just so like healthy, because I chopped off a good amount. If you saw the video where I cut my hair, I cut off like so much hair. So once I did that, I basically didn't really have to do anything. But since I bleached and colored my hair, it is now like, you know, that damaged, dry, bleach, color process hair. And that hair is so much harder to get it to look nice and healthy and soft and shiny. So I had to completely redo my hair care routine. So now it's a more intensive hair care routine, and it's specifically for color treated hair or like for dry damaged hair. So yeah, if you guys want to see like how I take care of my hair now, then let me know. I would love to film that video. I've been watching hair care routines like non-stop since I got my hair done, because I just want to bring it back to life. It's not like dead or anything. My hair colorist, you know, she used Olaplex. It is pretty damaged, but not like to the point where I feel like my hair is dead and fried. When I was younger and I got ombre hair, like 2 hairstylists messed up my hair within the span of 4 weeks. And so then my hair was like fried and it was actually disgusting. So I would highly recommend that you go to a good hairstylist if you're gonna do this. You can do it yourself, of course, at home, but chances are it's not gonna end up anywhere near as nice as if you went to a professional. And not just any professional, pick a good one. I was watching my hairstylist do it. It took her like 2 hours just to bleach my hair. I guess what I'm trying to say is you need to go to someone who's really good at this. If you just go to any random hairstylist, and especially if they don't have like experience working with your type of hair, they're most likely gonna mess it up. Yeah, I'm also going to be toning my hair very soon, so if you want to see like how to tone your hair or anything like that, let me know and I will be more than happy to film that for you. But yeah, that was kind of my little hair journey, how I went from like black to this hair. So yeah, alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!